All right, I'm going to try a different angle here. As you can see, I moved my Logitech camera towards the desk. There are some cameras that have that option for desk recording. I don't have one, so I just have to manually do it. But right now, I took apart my old Nano, zotac Nano. As you can see, so I had to get a new thermal paste because the one I got last time I put away, and when I moved, I can't find it anywhere, so I have to get a new one. This is what this one is called. And so this is a new one, Easy Cargo Thermal Grease. I just went ahead and got the 200 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and change the paste on this computer. It's a little old, but it should be fine. But I just wanted to do it and see what we got here. And as you can see, it is sealed. Let me see if the camera will catch that. Not quite. There you go. So let me pause this and get this ready. So it's got like a double layer on there. If you can see that, just took that apart. Anyways, I'll just open that up from here. The reason I'm doing this carefully is because I want to leave the cover on so that it doesn't dry. Hopefully it doesn't dry out. And I'll just do half. And we can take a look at how good or bad this one is. And that's really something. Just make sure you have something to wipe your fingers with, because it's going to get all over you. It does come with one of these, but you can probably just use your fingers anyways. Just want to see how. Okay, it's not too soft, so I guess that's okay. Now let me get this out of here. Don't get that everywhere. So I need to undo the couple of things here. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and that should be it. And that comes off with the spring. And I just felt it come off from the other side. So here we go. I can plug it here. Oh, come on. So we can flip it because the other antenna is here. And thermal paste is still okay on that. But we'll just put some more new one on it. As you can see, it's not like the whole thing. It's just like these little squares that have the paste. So not much there. I'm just trying to be careful not to knock the resistors off on that. Okay, I'm not going to be able to get everything out here because I'm not using the microscope. I'm just trying to get most of the paste off. off of everything. Let me know how the mic is working out. This is my desktop mic that I'm using, so I don't have to hold it or put it on my shirt. So the terminal paste is still pretty soft. Which is good because normally they're either pretty hardened by the time you take it out. And that's the best we can do for now. Yeah, I can get crazy with this, but I'm not going to, just because it has a lot of small components around it, and I know it's hard to see on the camera. I can't even see it, but that's why I'm just dabbing it, because I don't want to make a problem where there is none. And so, all right, let's put some new paste on this. And actually, I don't even need a lot. I just need a tiny bit. You kind of want to cover that, but not really. You just need a little bit here. Basically dabbing it so it'll transfer right there. And I'm going to do the same here. So you can see, because eventually that's just going to go out anyways. So you don't want to put too much. But I dab like this, so there will be plenty in the whole space. And that's pretty much it. You don't need any more than that. That should be okay. Put a little dab more here. That should do it. Now, just got to get this perfectly right again so it doesn't smear all over. And that's what the bottom looks like on this heatsink. So I think I can do the bottom two first. There's like a little guide on here for the holes. So I'll do that. Yep. And then they'll go right in. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Just hold it. It moved. It moved. It is moving. Thought it was in a hole, but they moved. Okay, you got 1. Come on, number 2. It moved a tiny bit, but it's not too bad, so it's on there. Let's take a look. That's never fun. So you'll get it in a few places. Just try not to get it on everything. Okay. So that looks good to me. Everything's nice and clean. Oh, sorry. Did I pause? Am I still recording? Yes. Okay. I had to look. I'm still, this is the first time I'm testing the software and actual video. So don't mind that. Just want to make sure it's nice and snug so it transfers. Yeah, this tool I needed a little more So the heat transfer is fine. Put this back. Okay, that's done. Now, I believe this goes below. Let's get this on here since it's still on here. Tiny, tiny connectors. You just want to be gentle. There you go. I pressed it and it's in. Now, this goes on top. Like this. Sorry, I was moving away from the camera there. Okay, come on. Okay, it's in there. Thick. Not quite. Okay, this one's not lining up. All right, let me pause this and let me get this in here. All right, so I got it in there. Just have to move that a little bit and make sure these are flush. Now, I can put the two back ones. These are a little bigger than the front ones or the ones on this side. This is an older PC or mini PC. I got this way before mini PCs actually became popular, so it's an older one, but it still works. Oh, I forgot to do one more thing on this one, and that is put the cover back on here before I put the what do you call it? Everything else that screws on the top. So these are smaller than those. Do let me know how the mic is working because I have it as close as I can to me, so we'll see. So that paste seems to be working pretty well. It's not too runny. So it's got seems to be the right consistency, so that's good. And now I can go ahead and close it and hang on a second. All right, moving on. I'm going to put the two screws in the front. Good thing is this one only one side comes off. On the new firewall mini PC, both sides come off. As soon as you take the screws off, everything just comes off. So that's pretty much it. That's done. As far as the drives, I went ahead and changed it to RAID 0 for the highest speed. I'm just going to test it out. I did try the RAID 1. Seems to work. The what's the other word? The one that puts both together. I think it was the last one that works. But the other one didn't work. The one that where you want to do 1 and 1 and use both of them as separate drives, that one didn't work. So now, because I've been loading up the Linux Ubuntu on it, I'm going to go ahead and try the RAID 0. So if you look in the back, that's what this is. It's actually RO, R1, SP, p.m. and that's what that's what it means. RAID 0, RAID 1. I think that was the span. That's what it's called because that's where you have all of them on there, and it uses everything as one drive. And then the last one, which is the one that I wanted to use. Anyway, it's on the manual also, but so I just changed it for RAID 1. Not 1 and 2 have not connection, so I just moved it. So I'm gonna redo that and see how that goes. So let me put it back. So basically I'm testing all of the settings on this to see if they work. I don't really care what it is. I just wanted to see if they work, and the only one that didn't work is the one where you want to use them as individual drives, but the RAID seems to work, RAID 1. So I'm pretty sure the RAID 0 should be the same as I showed you on the other video before. Alright, so that's that. It just has that connector here and the bottom piece. It tells you the front, and the front is here. So mini PCs are not much to them, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm back. I'm going to plug this in and test it out again, but that's the new paste for you. Here, this is what it's called. Let me see if I can get it without getting too much, maybe backwards because I flipped the camera to have the right side on here. So it is EC Cargo. I just got it off Amazon. What was this? 200 grams right there. Right there. I don't know. That camera is never going to focus that well. But it is 200. So this one's almost full, as you saw. The other one was just like about there. It's just one of those things. You get them, you lose them, and then you put them away, and you can't find them when you need them. Alright, so that's it for this video.